TALLENTEX exam, it's like a great way to help build that, spirit of healthy competition in you, and also helps you to learn to commit mistakes and become a better version of yourself. Available all the time to help clear even the silliest doubts of ours.
Hello dear students, I am Rishabh Gupta. I am Academic Head of TALLENTEX Overseas, Oman country, and today I am joined with Zainab, who is a brilliant child, and she has scored all Gulf rank number 3 in the last year TALLENTEX exam in the grade 10th. Now let's listen from her about her success story last year. So Zainab, could you tell us about the TALLENTEX exam and its benefit?
Yes, sir. So the TALLENTEX exam, it's like a great way to help build that, spirit of healthy competition in you, and also helps you to learn to commit mistakes and become a better version of yourself. This exam comes with a lot of benefits like practice papers, cash rewards, up to 90% percentage of scholarship, and so much more.
Okay, absolutely. So there are multiple benefits which you can explore on the websites also. So Zainab, how TALLENTEX Overseas system helped you last year in your achievement? So could you just throw some light on this?
So honestly, I would like to thank the TALLENTEX Overseas system because they brought me up to this level where I am at today. They worked hard day and night to clear the concepts to us in the most layman way possible. They provided us with practice papers, they marked the important questions for us, and they were available all the time to help clear even the silliest doubts of ours.
Yeah, so alright, so moving to the next one, which is how you would be advising to this year aspirants who would be writing the TALLENTEX exam, which is on 27th of October this year. So what would be your advice and recommendation to them?
So for all the aspirants this year, I would just say this exam, it checks your ability to balance all the things and manage your time well. My advice would be to create a timetable which is flexible, but it should be effective in managing your time. Solving modules and practice papers is a must, because it helps you to see if you're putting your time and efforts in the right direction. Also, most importantly, you have to believe in yourself and your preparation.
Yes, absolutely, very well said. As you to prepare your revision timetable, and you to go through with the syllabus of the TALLENTEX, and then attempt as many as practice paper as possible, right? All right, so that's it. If you have not registered till now, so register soon to get the benefits and the early bird discounts and everything. Thank you, Zainab.
Thank you.